Super Easy Drawings! Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw makeup. Let's start drawing. We start by drawing a rectangle for the makeup color palette. And then the space where the colors of the palette go. This is a makeup kit that you can carry in your bag. The mirror. Now we draw the mascara. The lipstick, and a nail polish. I draw a heart in the middle. Finally, a brush. Good job! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, light green, dark green, light blue, dark blue, light violet, purple, pink, fuchsia, cream, aquamarine, light brown, brown, black, light red, light violet, light blue, red, orange, black, yellow, dark green, dark blue, purple, pink, red, orange, yellow, light green, blue, purple, pink, brown, fuchsia, aquamarine. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.